It's pretty grainy, but there's a bit of a thunderstorm happening out yonder. Lots of lightning, can't hear the thunder yet, so it must be quite a ways away. I'm just standing on the veranda from my house in Barracup. It'd be a pretty good sky show up around Perth, I reckon. Don't mind all that lightning, it'd be good to get a couple of inches of rain, but we don't want any more fires. We're all fires near to rest, I reckon. Been 40 degrees here today. Cooled off a bit, then the wind dropped and she went back up again. That noise you can hear sound like frogs. It's actually sand gropers. The Aussie, well, the West Australian emblem. Aussie sand gropers. It's a shame this camera on this phone wasn't a bit more advanced. But I suppose it's only a 7 plus, I think. I think they're up to about 15 now, probably 17. Who knows? Get out of my budget.